Hello friends, after submerged in water, if you want to service and repair your bike by yourself at your home, all you need is that screwdriver, spanner, sandpapers. For extra precaution, new spark plugs, fuses, new air filter, new engine oil. According to your bike, the range is depending on your bike. That like I have 20W50 and these will cost you around the air filter and engine oil and spark plugs around 1200 something. With that you can easily solve the problem without paying huge amount of money to the mechanics who are now looting the people just to solve this problem. Apart from charging the spare parts, they are asking around 8,000 to 10,000, 6,000. Like they are saying they need to change the carburetor, then armature, everything, all this. But this doesn't get water. I opened all these components, checked it, dried it, though there was not a single drop of water, but I didn't take the risk. I dried it properly, then in sunlight, and after that did the flushing with diesel 3 to 4 times, each time around 500 to 700 ml without starting the bike. Then I put old engine oil, then started the bike. Kick lever, it took 10 to 15 kicks to start. After starting I raised the RPM and I got the bike smoothly running, and smoke was coming out from here and under this bike body. And after that I refilled with new engine oil, you can see, and my old spark plugs are good, not short. I dried it, even I put them on the gas oven for a few minutes to dry it from inside. Though I keep always old spare parts with me. These are the old one, you can see, 2022. All are okay, but I change it after every 10,000 kilometers. I always change it and along with the air filter. So this is the thing you need to do the self repairing at home, and cost will be around maximum 2000. If you maintain your bike properly, you can watch the other videos, regular maintenance, everything, tools I use on my channel. So thank you. I will be putting the other videos what I am talking about. That smoke will be coming out, water will be dripping from silencer pipe everywhere. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, watch these videos and share with your friends. Thank you. কি হচ্ছে? আশা করি ঠিক হয়ে যাচ্ছে। See, bike is taking self. So, done the job. Started at last. You can see I have solved the problem. জয় ভৈরব বাবা।